Welcome to Mirko's Werkstatt. In this video I'll be doing an unboxing and walkthrough of the assembly process. This is the printing plate. Do not touch the surface, otherwise you'll have to clean it with soap and water afterward. Cut the strips apart and remove the foam pieces. Be sure to pay attention to the small foam pieces as well. Now remove the safety strips from the maintenance hatches. Here's an overview of the parts included in the shipment. Unwrap the cables and remove the safety strips and the foam. Now remove the shipping locks from both X-axes. The frame is now ready for assembly. Find the screws you needed and the right Allen wrench. Put the screws in. Now just tighten them. Install the cover on the right and left, making sure the carriage can move freely. Lay the printer on its side to plug the cables into the sockets. It's best to plug the connectors in from left to right, so you always have enough room to insert them. Check that they are secure. Make everything look nice. After the printer is upright again, it's time for the filament guide. To do this, insert it on the left side and secure it with a screw. For the filament holder, slide the tubes on and turn them until they click into place. Open the brackets and attach it to the printer from the front. Do it on the left and the right. Now it's time to install the PTFE filament guide. Be sure to follow the correct order and pay attention to the numbers. Insert the tubes as far as possible, paying attention to the correct sequence at the print head. When placing the print plate on the printer, pay attention to the two notches. They must be slid precisely onto the two pins on the print bed. Plug in the cable, make sure there's enough space between the cable and the wall so the print bed can move freely. Turn on the power. Select the language, for me it's German, then select the region, worldwide. Now the printer will search for a Wi-Fi network. You can select the right network and enter the password. You can download the phone app by scanning the QR code. There are a few safety warnings to make sure you haven't forgotten to remove the shipping locks. After that, the printer will start the automatic calibration. It takes about 30 minutes and then the printer is ready to use. Quickly load another Anycubic filament spool. They are especially user-friendly because they have an RFID chip that's recognized by the Kobra X. Hold it up to the printer, it beeps and then just thread it in. Done. A quick test print of a 50-minute Benchy. To do this, go to the local files on the printer, scroll through and select the Benchy. Enable flow calibration and in the next step select the filament. Start! Of course I made a time-lapse video of it and didn't include the whole 50 minutes, but what matters is the result. It looks pretty good, doesn't it? Since many people do the first layer test, I'll show you that briefly as well. On the display, go to local files, confirm the first layer test, select the filament and press start. I think the Anycubic Kobra X is a beginner-friendly 3D printer and I enjoyed the unboxing and assembling of it. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a like. Don't forget to share. See you next time.